Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Kia Optima window. First, let's identify the common issues you might encounter. Begin by checking the window switch for power. Listen carefully for any motor sounds when you try to operate the window. These initial steps help determine if the problem lies with the switch, the motor, or the window regulator itself. Understanding these symptoms is crucial for effective troubleshooting. To further diagnose the issue, you'll need to remove the door panel. Once exposed, test the window motor directly by applying 12 volts of power to its terminals. Carefully inspect all wiring for any signs of damage, fraying, or corrosion. Finally, examine the window regulator assembly for any broken cables, pulleys, or other mechanical failures that prevent smooth operation. Once you've identified the faulty component, it's time for repair or replacement. If the switch is bad, simply swap it out. For a failed motor, unbolt the old one and install a new unit, ensuring proper electrical connections. If the regulator is broken, carefully remove it and replace it with a new assembly, paying attention to cable routing and mounting points. After replacing the necessary parts, carefully reassemble the door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are properly secured. Before fully tightening everything, perform a thorough test of the window's function. Operate it up and down several times to confirm smooth movement and full travel. Double-check that all electrical connections are secure and that no wires are pinched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.